In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix X, formerly known Twitter app, not working. If you are experiencing any challenge with your app, maybe this social media app is not opening, it keeps on crashing, it is too slow, or even it crashes each and every time you try to open it, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to get started, first you need to go to settings, and from settings, look for this option, apps. Now under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for X, and here it is. Tap on it to open. Now here you want to go to force stop and then OK, and then go to clear data and clear cache, and finally OK, and then clear all data. Now once you are done, restart your smartphone and then check and then see if you are using any VPN app, turn it off or disable it, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. However, even after doing this, if you still have challenges, then go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for X, and here go ahead and update your app to the latest version in case we have an update. One of the reasons your app is malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of X app. However, should your app continue crashing, then most likely your X app has bugs, and for that you'll need to uninstall it and install it afresh to clear any bugs that might be associated with your X app. So let me know which of the above was able to help. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.